Welcome to my Sunday from. So today we're just gonna open these packages in a quick fast hurry. And I know what I got was um like on accident I was thinking, well, I would send something to mom, right? And then I was like hurrying because it was a sale, and so I was like, well, I, I only got her like some tanner. See, like it comes with like little gift like notes or whatever. But it's just I buy her these little minis once in a while. It's called Self Tan Express. It's Saint Tropez, and it's like I think it's the best one. Like I think it works really good. It takes like an hour for light, 2 hours for medium, and 3 hours for dark. This is it didn't say the color, so I just went and grabbed whatever it was. But it says 1 hour for light, 2 hours for medium, and 3 hours for dark, which I guess maybe if you leave it on for 3 hours, you're going to be very dark. And 1 hour, you're going to be light. So 2 hours is medium. And I don't know. I guess a tan's a tan in some people's opinion, but I don't know. I'd probably go for the 2 hour. But it comes with the mitt. It comes with, um, see, this is a good size. It says mini. It's $20 for the mitt and that. And I think it's really, like, you put your hand in there. It's just a express applicator and travel size, I guess. And for 20 bucks, it's pretty good because, like I said, it works really well. And that's what I got her, but I accidentally sent it here. And I think it's good because next time she comes, she'll have toothpaste and self tanner. So this is the purple toothpaste. Like it's literally the, you know how I think it's his smile. They invented purple toothpaste. Well, like we have purple shampoo that takes the uh like those orange notes, like the out of it's like toner, right? It takes all the brassiness out of hair strands. And this is purple, which takes kind of the orange tone out of our teeth, and the yellowness kind of brightens them because of like some optic thing. But this is also optic white, so it has I think it has peroxide in it. Right here it says sodium fluoride. It has like a tooth whitening agent in it. And it's also purple toothpaste. So Optic White is their whitening line. And it's really good. I always use that. Um, and I think the purple toothpaste Optic White is like, because they sell all kinds of ones, even off brand, generic ones. But I got the Colgate one because I figured it would be even better, especially because it was the whitening line. I'm gonna open the box. So I got hair, skin, and nails gummies. And so it says it has vitamin A, C, D2, E, B6, folate, B12, biotin, choline, pantothenic acid, zinc, iodine, and inositol. And these are very, very good for your hair, skin, and nails. And I'm kind of surprised, but I don't know. So just get this off real fast. And it's recommended 2 gummies a day. So we'll taste one. And these are quite pretty. They're like light pink. They're solid color. Contain a lot of biotin. There's 60 of them. So you get a month's supply. The flavor, raspberry. Mm. They're actually very soft. And they're actually pleasant to chew on. And the sugar hits you right away. They kind of taste like a candy, so you won't even know. It's like a tanginess afterwards. It's really like a candy. But yeah, this is a really good vitamin. I think just on the flavor alone, it's 10 out of 10. And with all those ingredients, I probably give it a 10. If it works, I mean, if it's quality, yeah, we'll see. I sure could use it. Look how short these things are. Okay, the next thing I got was this Benadryl Allergy Extra Strength. And I got this. Oh, I didn't say how much I got this for. This is usually on sale for under $6. It's like 5 something, but it comes with like a $2 something coupon. So I mean, I didn't pay that much for it. Like, and these were like $6, and they had a coupon, and I was like, I need that. And this one's like $8. But if you can get a coupon for it, I mean, usually name brands you can get a coupon for, so that's a good part about it. But this is extra strength, so whenever you really have um, the signs and symptoms of allergy, which is runny nose, itchy throat, sneezing, itchy, watery eyes situation within your allergy attack, I guess this is the kind that is recommended um, by almost every doctor. They like this particular brand, diphenhydramine. People take it for to put them to sleep, to go for pain, but I know it for being allergy relief. And of course, I got restock of my favorite cookies, oatmeal cookies, and my favorite salty snack, saltine crackers. So together, these are like $3, and I really, really like them because like everything, like every meal or every snack time, like you can go to these. It's only like I said, like less than $2 each. It's worth it, in my opinion. And of all the snacks and stuff, I think those are probably the most healthiest ones. That's why they're my go-to. You know what I mean? Because I try to look out for my health, even though sometimes I don't feel like I feel like I want a cheeseburger. Um, but I look in the fridge and I'm like, well, what do I have? And it's all kind of not that bad, and also healthy, healthier option. And here I got this cute little outfit. And it's a see-through. And I didn't want to get a see-through because I saw one on sale just like it. And I was like, oh no, I'm not getting a see-through. But it comes with this cute little, look at that little button in the back. And it's like, it is a see-through, but you can wear black underneath it. Black bra top. Let me get this. Because it has a skirt. And the skirt is a see-through. Well, I don't think it's supposed to be. But I mean, I guess it wouldn't be. But I don't think it would be considered see-through. Not that bad. This is pretty bad. I don't know. Maybe it's just the back. Yeah, I think it's just the back that's concerned me. But you see how it's like a stretch material? And it's like a waffle fabric. It's really, really cute. I like it. I think it's a good night look. And I got this one in small. Yeah, it says small. Let's see the next one. So this next one is jewelry. And actually, it's the same thing. Both of them are these cute little bracelets. These cute little bracelets. They're like crystal. You see? Isn't that beautiful? So I got two of them. It's pretty, huh? I got these. Actually, they were $1.99, $2, $4 for both of them. I think they're so pretty. Thank you guys for watching. I really like my haul. I feel like it's a 10 out of 10. And watch some of my other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Might sound different. Bye bye.